Hi everyone, my name is Sylvie and I live on beautiful Vancouver Island, BC. The reason why I wanted to work online is to have more time with my husband, more time with my dogs, and doing the things that I love, sewing. And a year later, I'm home and I do it. And I'm so happy. A year ago, I watched a free webinar online on my newsfeed, and it was free. I watched it. I loved it. We fell in love with the idea. We went into this amazing digital business. And I am French Canadian, so English is not my first language. So in this business, I have a training, I have a mentor, I have a coach, I have a huge community of people who help me. So we are not left alone, and I just want to share it because I see so much people succeed in this business, and I just want people to have the same opportunity that I have. So guys, I'm inviting you to watch this free webinar and check it out if it's for you. If it's for you guys, come and join us in this amazing adventure. Bye guys, have a good day.